This is what your angels would like you to know. This is the best time for you to get some rest and relaxation. Taking a break is good for your health and mental clarity as well. Your angels urge you to tap into something deep within yourself. You possess significant abilities that would empower your accomplishment. Your self-work has been assisting you in ascending to a higher frequency. Focusing on your own growth can benefit those close to you, whom you can have a higher positive impact on. Maintaining your grounds is a key power you hold. Others will find it difficult now to manipulate you. Claim that nobody can shake your path to success. You are your own success. Every day you work on yourself is a one step closer towards your desired final outcome. The divine realm has chosen to deliver you this message because you have finally learned to surrender and allow things unfold naturally. They were all aware that letting go of things and your memories was difficult, but it is only through this process that you will find and rediscover yourself.